Well, the honks haven't gone anywhere. We just need to look a little closer. They're starting to blend in, right? All right, at first look, you wouldn't probably notice, but obviously this white Ford SUV is not supposed to be there. Parking permit or not, this hashed area that's marked there on the ground is not for your vehicle or for you just to park there. It's for people to unload and load, so don't do that. Yeah, you're definitely doing this wrong here, buddy. It's funny, but at the same time, it's definitely not. Midday traffic, and here we have people just driving against the flow of traffic. Hopefully, this driver found the correct way. Ooh, that makes me cringe. All right, it's been a while since we had these style of honks here, but this mess is still out there. The level of distraction and the danger on this car is just pretty staggering. Plus, I'm willing to bet not all that equipment work, and the level of trash there is a little bit much. I don't think he's going to be mowing any yards with this. I want to keep seeing the things that you're seeing. Keep your passenger picture, dash camera video coming and send them over to me to clickorlando.com/whatthehonk, or attach your stuff to an email and send them over to me to asktroopersteve@wkmg.com.